Hello friends, here's a list of top 10 most rare plants in the world. Middle mist red. This prettiest flower is no doubt rarest one in the world today. It has only two specimens left in the world, one in the botanical gardens in London and other in New Zealand. Rafflesia arnoldi, known to be the world's largest flower. This plant is also the rarest one in the world. Rafflesia arnoldi is also known as a corpse plant. This name was given to this plant because of its foul odor that is similar to decaying flesh. Unlike other flowers, this plant doesn't have a pleasant smell and is found in the dense rainforest of Sumatra, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Rothschild's slipper orchid. One of the most expensive flowers in the world is something you have to wait for 15 long years to get one. This flower costs about US $5,000 per blossom and it's undoubtedly the rarest you will find on this planet. Amorphophallus titanum, Titan arum. This strange looking plant is only found in the botanical garden of the area, known as the Rose Hills of Huntington. This moody plant only blooms occasionally and looks like a flower with a red outing with an inner beige color wick. Panacea beliziana. Scoring a place in the Guinness Book of World Records, Panacea beliziana is again an extinct plant in the world. It is a very rare plant. Many scientists are trying to prove whether it is a female genesis or a male one. This plant has a slow aging process means it takes almost 10 full years to get fully mature. Ghost orchid. This weird looking plant resembles the shape of tiny ghosts hanging on its bushes. It looks very spooky. Like other orchids, this kind of orchid doesn't have any leaves and has an apple scent. It is one of the rarest of orchid species found in the world and has a pale blossoms and thin stems. It is native to the remote areas of Florida and Cuba. Dragon's blood tree, resembling the shape of a mushroom when looked at it from below. If you want to see this rare tree, you will have to travel to Yemen, rent a boat, and visit the island of Socotra. The sap of this tree is as red as blood, and this tree is found on only one island of the coast of Yemen in the entire world. Ghost orchid. Like other orchids, this kind of orchid doesn't have any leaves and looks very spooky and has an apple scent. It is one of the rarest of the orchid species found in the world and has pale blossoms and thin stems. It is remote areas of Florida and Cuba. Nepenthes tenax. One of the weirdest looking plants is the Nepenthes tenax, which is considered one of the rare plants in the world, having a few similarities with the pitcher plant. This plant grows to a height of 100 centimeters with a pitcher shaped flower on the top, having a height of 15 centimeters. This is an extremely rare Australian lowland plant, native to northern Queensland. This plant is now a part of the endangered species of the world. One of the longest living and rare plants in the world, also known as the living fossil plant, is found in Africa. This weird looking plant has a woody, thick, short, and stout trunk. This plant lives for 1000 to 2000 years on the earth. Encephalatos woody. One of the rarest plants. This plant is now conserved and restricted to the botanical garden only, where it was transported from Zululand. This plant is found in South Africa and considered being extinct. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.